Begin the service by applying Cool Blue. Soak hand towels in a solution of mineral bath and warm water to cleanse client's feet. Perform a pedicure. Lift and loosen cuticle with a cuticle pusher. Remove cuticle with a curette. Cleanse with Scrub Fresh. Apply enhancements or CND Shellac prior to the Pro Skincare treatment and begin with the base coat. Cure for 10 seconds. Apply 2 layers of shellac color coat. Cure each layer for 1 minute. Apply shellac top coat. Cure for 1 minute. Clean the nail with IPA. Apply callus smoother to dry calloused areas of the foot. Wrap the foot in plastic film. Wrap the foot in a towel and allow to penetrate for 5 minutes. Remove the towel and the plastic film, and then gently smooth calluses with a foot file. Thoroughly remove remaining callus smoother with a damp towel. On dry skin, massage sea salt scrub over the foot and lower leg. Gently remove the scrub with a damp towel. Massage intensive hydrating treatment into heels and dry areas. Apply hydrating lotion and massage until completely absorbed. Continue the benefits of the prebiotic formula with daily use.